So today we worked on inside turn, right turn. Yes? So first we start close position. Okay? When we mention everything in class, make sure that points of communication, we got this right here. Okay? Elbow to elbow. So follows, we need to feel that you are putting weight on us. Boom, right here. It leads, you also have to have some kind of tension, otherwise the weight is gonna go all the way to the bottom and there is not gonna be a strong connection. Then the follows right arm, right hand on the side of my shoulder. This right here has to be established for the cross body to work smoothly and for the follow to not go too far or too short. Why? Because we're controlling that based on that connection. So we're gonna do inside turn, 6, 7, leads turn, follows turn, basic, 5, I hand cross, 1, inside turn, 7, 1, 5, 6, 7 for the first one, 5, 6, 7 for the second one, left over right, inside, I turn, she turns, 2, 3, leads when you do your turn, 5, make sure you go in an angle instead of going forward. So it helps you turn faster. If I go in an angle, less amount of distance, and also I'm gonna help myself with my right on my turnout. So when I turn, I'm right here. Instead of you do this, you're going away from the follow. And by the time you finish, huge distance happening. Yes, so leads, use your turnout as well. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. Yes? So I'm gonna do it from here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, and 1, and 5, 6, 7. Yes?